this thought is about today, we are making our daughters so empowered. We are upskilling them. They are not only working hard towards their growth, they are also getting skilled. But there is a very one important question which is coming again and again in my mind. Though we are making our daughter very empowered, you know, very skilled, a complete package. But are we making our boys enough to handle them? Because ultimately, these boys and girls will stay together because that is the natural phenomena to keep the life going on. But are we making our boys equipped enough to handle those empowered women, the growth mindset? I feel pity because I am, might be, I am in that kind of surrounding where the boys are still of the fixed mindset. So, this is a message for all the women out there who have boys as their son. Please help them to create the growth mindset of your boys. Make them equipped enough and make it very normal because after 10 years, the world will be completely different. What I can feel and what I can sense. Thank you.